Enough is enough.
We want to do a republic.
Yes,
they are killing our people.
Yes.
Right now, they are hunting the Endsars protesters in Nigeria.
Yes.
They are forcing their accounts, and they are even trying to seize their passports. So therefore, hello? Okay. Hello, okay. So they are killing our people, the Endsars protesters, and right now, they are still hunting for them. Why can't they go to Sambisa Forest and look for the Boko Haram? Look at the ammo tanks that they send to Southwest.
Yes.
For what? When we have our people, when we have children in Sambisa Forest, we have our people, our soldiers dying in Sambisa Forest. They could not even provide good ammunition for them, to fight the enemies. So what are they doing? What are they looking for? We don't know what is in Aso Rock that they forgot there. We don't know what exactly is in Aso Rock that they have refused to leave. We don't know exactly what they are doing with all the monies we are making in Nigeria.
Resources of Nigeria.
You know, all our resources, everything is gone. Everything is going down the drain. Nothing is working in Nigeria. Our educational system is in shambles.
Yes,
our healthcare system is gone. They have marketed everything in Nigeria. The only thing that is left for Nigerians are the blood that flows in our system. We don't have anything again. They have marketed Nigeria. And I am even sure they must have used Nigeria as a collateral. They keep borrowing money from different countries. Yes, we don't see the effect of the money they are borrowing. Now, they are killing our people. They go from house to house, killing people, hunting innocent people. Our roads are bad. We don't even want them to come to Europe again. Let them stay back in Nigeria and make that place work. We want Oduduwa Republic is old enough to be on its own. We want Oduduwa Republic.
Yes.
We have all the resources.
Yes.
We have educated people.
Yes.
We have hardworking people.
Yes.
Yoruba Republicans, we are good people.
Yes.
We are hardworking.
Yes.
We have the energy.
Yes.
We have the zeal. We have the power. We have the
Intelligence.
wisdom.
Yes.
We have the intelligence. We have the wisdom.
The
Talk
integrity.
of anything.
Yes.
We can manage anything.
Oh, yes.
And we can do anything.
Oh, yes.
Because we have the fear of God in us.
Yes.
And so therefore, we are old enough to be on our own.
Yes.
Enough is enough.
Yes.
We don't want Nigeria again.
Yes.
No to Nigeria again. Because nothing is working.
Yes.
As Jesus said on the cross of Calvary that it is finished.
Yes.
Nigeria is finished.
Ó ti tán.
Nigeria is
Finished. Ó ti
We
tán.
don't want Nigeria again.
Yes.
We want to be on our own because they have refused to restructure. So therefore, we don't want that again. We are suffering.
Yes.
We don't have good water. We don't have good food. Yoruba nation is our stand. Restructuring is late now. Yoruba nation is our mandate.
Yes,
we want to be on our own.
Yes,
The British name Nigeria
Is
the
a
British
fraud.
name Nigeria is a fraudulent contraction.
Yes, sir.
1914 amalgamation of region is a fraud.
Yes,
We
sir.
are no longer interested. We are Yoruba people. And corruption.
Yes, sir.
And corrupt government.
Yes, sir.
Censors.
Yes.
And police brutality.
Yes.
We want all our people to be okay. We want to be on their own.
Yes.
We want good governance.
Yes.
Oduduwa Republic. We are able. We are able.
Oh, yes.
We are more than able.
Oh, yes.
We have all the best brains in the world.
Yes. Oh, yes.
We have all the hardworking people
Yes.
in the world.
Yes. Oh, yes.
We have all it takes to be on our own.
Tell them.
The country of over 200 million.
Yes.
Only Yoruba people, we are more than enough.
Yes.
Tinubu, you are a disgrace to humanity.
Oh, yes.
You are a disgrace to the Yoruba people.
Yes.
All our governors, you people are a bunch of disgrace.